Here's a quick guide to getting the Rapport Unreal Viewer plugin up and running in your Unreal Engine project. First, extract the plugin zip file. Inside, you'll find the plugin folder. Drop this into your Unreal Projects plugins directory. If that folder doesn't exist yet, just create it manually. Next, open your Unreal project. Go to Edit, Plugins, and in the list, find and enable Rapport Unreal Viewer. You may be prompted to restart the editor. Go ahead and do that to complete the setup. Once you're back in the editor, open the blueprint for your character. This could be a custom character or a metahuman. Inside the blueprint, add the following 3 components. Rapport Session. This handles communication with Rapport. In the Details panel, paste in your deploy token. Rapport Player. This manages playback of animation data. No configuration is needed here. Audio Source. This captures microphone input for real-time audio processing. Now we'll set up the logic to start everything when the game begins. In the event graph, on Begin Play, follow these steps. First, get a reference to the microphone capture component and pass it into the start call of the Rapport Session component. Once the session has started, get a reference to the Rapport player and start it. This start function will require a reference to the session you just initialized, so make sure to pass that in as well. At this point, the session and player are both running, but we don't want to begin capturing audio immediately. We only want to start capture after a successful connection has been established. To handle this, get a reference to the Rapport player and find the On-Connection Established event. Bind this to a custom event. Name it something like Connection Established. Inside this event, get a reference to the microphone capture component and call Start Capture. This ensures audio capture only begins once Rapport is fully connected and ready to receive input. To drive facial animation, we need to set up an animation blueprint. Create a custom anim BP and apply it to your character's body mesh, not the face. Inside the anim graph, use the Rapport Pose node to receive real-time pose data from Rapport. On End Play, stop the player, stop the session, and stop microphone capture to shut everything down cleanly. Once everything is in place, hit play in the editor, speak into your mic, and you should see your character come to life, responding to your voice with real-time animation.
Hello. How can I assist you today?
And that's it. You're ready to animate with Rapport inside Unreal.